Welcome back, my dear friends. I hope you are feeling cheerful and full of positive energy today. May happiness follow you wherever you go. May every new English word bring you closer to your goals. Thank you for choosing to spend your time learning with me. Today, we are going to talk about something that many people love. Our topic is my pet. You will learn how to describe a pet in simple and natural English. We will practice easy vocabulary and useful expressions that you can use in everyday conversations. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about your favorite animal with greater confidence. Before we jump into today's lesson, please subscribe to the channel if you enjoy learning English with us. Give this video a like if you find it helpful. Share it with your friends and family who are also learning English. Your support helps this channel continue creating free lessons for English learners around the world. Now, let us begin. First, let me introduce my lovely pet. I have a small dog. His name is Max. He is very cute and friendly. He has soft brown fur and bright eyes. His tail is always moving when he sees me. Every morning, he waits by the door with excitement. As soon as I wake up, he comes to say hello. Seeing him always makes me smile. He is more than a pet. He is a member of my family. Here are today's first words and phrases. Pet small dog. Cute. Friendly. Member of the family. I really like the expression member of the family. It shows how important a pet can be. Let us say it together once more. Member of the family. It is a warm and meaningful expression. Next, let me tell you about our morning routine. Every morning, I feed my dog before I eat breakfast. He becomes very excited when he hears the sound of his food bowl. He sits patiently and waits for me. After I give him his food, he eats happily. Then he drinks fresh water. I always make sure he has clean water during the day. Taking care of a pet teaches responsibility. It also teaches kindness and patience. Here are some useful words and phrases. Feed my dog. Fresh water. Take care of. Be responsible. Be patient. I especially like the phrase take care of. Native speakers use it in many situations. Let us repeat it again. Take care of. It is an excellent phrase that you will hear very often. After that, it is time to play together. My dog loves playing with a small ball. Sometimes we play in the yard. Sometimes we play inside the house. He runs after the ball as fast as he can. When he brings it back, he looks very proud. I laugh every time because he looks so happy. Playing together is good for both of us. It keeps him healthy. It also helps me relax after a busy day. Here are today's next expressions. Play together. Throw the ball. Run around. Have fun. Feel happy. I really enjoy the phrase have fun. It is short, natural, and full of positive energy. Let us hear it one more time. Have fun. It is a fantastic expression for everyday English. Next, let us go for a walk. Every evening, I walk my dog around the neighborhood. He enjoys exploring new places. He stops to smell flowers and trees. Sometimes he meets other dogs. They happily play together for a few minutes. Many neighbors smile when they see him. Some people even stop to pet him because he is so friendly. Walking together is one of my favorite parts of the day. The fresh air feels wonderful. The exercise keeps both of us healthy. Here are some useful words and phrases. Walk my dog. Go for a walk. Fresh air. Meet other dogs. Stay healthy. I think go for a walk is an amazing expression. It sounds very natural in daily conversations. Let us repeat it together. Go for a walk. You can use it almost every day. After that, let me tell you something funny. My dog has a favorite toy. It is an old blue ball. Even though I buy new toys, he always chooses the old one. Sometimes he hides it under the sofa. Then he looks at me as if he is asking for help. When I find the ball, he jumps around with excitement. His happy face always makes me laugh. Small moments like these make life more enjoyable. Pets have a special way of bringing happiness into our lives. Here are a few more useful expressions. Favorite toy. Look for something. Jump with excitement. Make me laugh. Bring happiness. I especially love the phrase bring happiness. It is simple, beautiful, and meaningful. Let us hear it again. Bring happiness. It is a lovely expression to remember. Finally, let me tell you why I love having a pet. A pet gives us friendship without asking for anything in return. A pet teaches us to be caring and responsible. A pet is always happy to see us. Even after a difficult day, a pet can make us smile. I believe that kindness to animals makes us better people. Every day with my dog becomes a wonderful memory. I am thankful to have such a loyal friend. Now, let us review today's lesson. We learned how to talk about a pet in English. We practiced the words feed, play, cute, small, and walk my dog. We also learned many natural expressions that native speakers use every day. Now it is your turn. Do you have a pet? Is it a dog, a cat, or another animal? What is its name? What do you enjoy doing together? Try answering these questions in English. Do not worry about making mistakes. Every sentence you speak helps you improve. Thank you very much for joining me today. I truly appreciate your time and your dedication to learning English. I hope this lesson has helped you feel more confident and more comfortable speaking English. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like. Share it with your friends who are learning English. Your support encourages us to create many more lessons for you. Keep practicing every day. Keep believing in yourself. I look forward to learning with you again very soon. Until our next lesson, stay happy, stay curious, and enjoy your English journey.